Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Help me please. And we're back on not electric state. And we're on entry point once again. My animation. Mac, run backwards. And then look at your little dude.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Look at your little dude. Look how he runs.
This is my pub.
He runs a bit weird.
I'm serving here, not you, but your Captain Norton.
Professional.
These boys will be welcome. If you don't like
I want
that,
to shoot him in the
you
back of
don't
the
need
head.
Churchill.
It's
what?
pew.
Using the worst accommodation.
Oh, yeah.
Missy, that dog.
Can we knock her out the back of the head? Just go
That
pew.
will seem to have to go and do its business up against some other
Pew.
lamppost.
Oh, I'm afraid I need to wake up Lawson Watson. We don't want no politics.
Get it. Good. Very, very good.
Shame we can't get the Yankee Wops band too. Good.
Hey Mac, we're safe.
No! Actors, limeys,
I actually shot
you
him.
actually like Billy Joe. Citizens of Braintree, Alabama, perhaps. Your next door neighbours.
Oh yeah, but I killed him. Why do I have to kill him?
Try and string up your old mother, wouldn't you? After all, she is a woman, completely different species altogether.
Don't do that. If you do, then you've killed yourself with your job.
Not especially, no.
Mac, if I just see you with a million bags coming down, I'm gonna be like, what the?
Step out of the way, Reggie, now. Let these MPs...
It's Constable Deadman to you, and I think your MP friends will tell you I have authority here. Now, Mrs. Bamford, as licensee of these premises,
Hey, Mac,
you tell me if there is...
I'll tell you if people come upstairs.
Premises who, as licensee of these said premises, you currently desire no longer to be upon them.
Employee.
Premises of which you are licensee...
Employees coming upstairs. I'll tell you if anybody's coming up.
Shakespeare too.
No, I'm at the stairs looking at whoever comes up. They won't be able to see me. They won't be able to see me, trust me.
Don't speak again. We're going. You heard the last.
Mac, I can see your little dot. What's your little dot doing?
Thanks, cousin. Rich.
If I later find out that you killed yourself, I'm going to cry. Mac, I think an employee is coming down. Or is it a manager? Oh, it's a guard. One guard's gone down. Oh, thank you, Mac. I can see what you're doing. Okay, bring it down quick. Mac, manager's coming. Manager! How can he see me? Quick, in here.
The bigger they are,
The harder they punch, usually.
he wouldn't have laid a glove on me.
Thank you. If you kill him now, I'll kill you.
Just as well. He's a bit rusty, isn't he?
Right, Reg.
He still says I'm trespassing now, so I'm going to get
I wouldn't
stuck.
believe we're supposed to be on the same side, would you?
I suppose that was your first real taste of what they call racism. As you get older, Phoebe, you'll realise that not all the Nazis are in Germany.
Is that the manager?
Barry, you can be alright to
You want to know?
sometimes. Dad and me were down Cable Street in 36, standing up to Mosley in his black shirts. I know all about fascists.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
Evening, folks.
Get into this room, get on the floor, and then we're going to sit right next to you, have a little talk, aren't we? Don't knock him out. We're going to have a little talk. Then you're going to tell us everything we need to know. Mac, what's going on with my arms? Are my arms breaking on your screen?
Peace. I think we should have a little bath. Let's see if we can get him full to the brim with British hospitality.
Look at his foot. Look at his foot.
Well, it's an Anglo-American alliance.
Yeah, that's how you hide.
Well, now then.
Yeah, screw it. Yeah, I'm going to screenshot that way. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to post that on the road. I'm going to post that. Screw yeah, I'll post it on something.
It's his birthday.
Sure.
Okay, let me just...
To Father.
Oh, guys, I will put this. I will actually put this in the link of the description. I'm not being serious. I'll put that in the link of the description.
Isn't it better just us good old boys together?
Absolutely.
You know what? I should just make a Twitter account and put that as my flipping face cam. Oh no, I should make a Twitter account then put that as my thingy.
Well, talk of the devil.
Mac, did you seriously not grab the wrong key card? Go grab it! It's in the safe, I opened it.
Help it, it was him or me.
Did you seriously break every single window?
Look, nothing. Zeffirelli and the others are going to tell him he challenged me and I beat him fair and square. You know, I will take my hat off to you next time I wear one. You have done marvels.
Hi, my name is Jeff, and I want to be a singer.
You're resourceful.
I'm going to sing. My name is Jeff. No, that's every window, isn't it?
Ways to get you out of your predicament.
That's the door. What's he gonna break next? See you in the next video, because if you break one more,
When you are Mr. Rook.
will you let me finish my sentence? If you break one more window, I will end the video.
Well, it's obvious, isn't it?
I'll end the video. Do you want me to do that? Do you want me to end the video?
No, actually, you went ballistic.
I will do it. I'm not afraid. It's right in the corner of my screen.
If Yvonne feels that expansion will lead you into temptation, she may change her mind.
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, screw it. No, I'll ruin it. I'll kill everybody downstairs. Pew, 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 pew. Second.
Well, come on, Gary. She's got to know sooner or later.
Know about the
downside to all their expansion plans.
Yeah. Well, you see, the thing is, Yvonne, if we go through with this Korean...
You're flipping crazy.
Right?
I mean, for a start, I'm going to have to spend a lot more time...
Somebody walks through the door. I'm going to kill them.
That's not all. I mean,
I'm going to kill you.
About moving. And as for starting a family, well, that goes on the backest burner.
Well, it's got to, hasn't it, really?
Matt, come here and pick up the disgrace in this vault. It's called a key code.
But only if we put the house on the market. And because it is a risky business...
The guard! Matt, the guard! He's going to be coming. Back the bag. Hide the bag. Go hide the bag.
Who is this?
The agency said she was presentable, not wrong, were they?
What agency?
The employment agency.
Well, you know...
They come through the door and I'll kill them. Mac, no, don't. I want to get the kill, please. I just want to watch him come down here and I'm going to shoot him in the head.
Whose pathetic idea of a wind-up was this?
You killed him. Okay, sorry.
Bronze.
If you really expanding your business, then let's talk. You don't have to perform this ridiculous pantomime.
I'm not trying to talking. It would have been easier to persuade Imelda Marcos to wear flip-flops.
Well, I've had second thoughts. And maybe I got carried away on the flimsiest basis. And was perhaps...
I picked
Less than
something,
right.
not you.
You could say
No, I need to drop my
wrong, it
pick
wouldn't
lock.
kill you.
So who was she then?
I think she works in a chip shop across the road.
It looks like that. She's wasting in a chip shop.
Looks are all she's got, I'm afraid. You notice the ornithological confusion
Ma,
with the names.
we're not leaving without this money, so you better come pick it up.
Oh, well,
Hey,
let's forget it, eh?
hey Mac, I figured out a way how to stand up without using your stamina.
Of course.
Click X. Click X. Wait, just in curiosity, I just want to see what's in number 101.
15 years, right?
I just wondered.
Yeah, just stop worrying. Force
Nothing.
Wearing my watchwords.
Just a cobweb.
Just come and go by the back door.
Our winners are J. Davenport and robbing a bank.
Road tax, you got insurance, seatbelt.
Wait, what did I say, Mac? What did I say? I
The
said something.
spirit of adventure.
I've told you full-sighted planning in my watchwords. Now, Gary, doors, please. I can't manage. What a wimp.
No, I said Jaden. No, Mac, that actually isn't my second name. Mac, my second name is actually not that. So they'll look it up and they'll see that my real name is not. I have my third name is my second name. I switched it. Oh, it's blooming hard as hell though.
And you more. Good night, sweetheart. On the way. Next.
So guys, if you do look up J. Davenport, it's not my real name. It really isn't. My third name is my second name. My third name is Davenport, but you'll never know my second one because I'm never going to say it. Also maybe because I forgot it.
By 30 AD,
Wait, what did I say? No, I didn't. Mac.
you see every day.
Mac, do you want to know one of the worst things in the entire world?
And 700 fighters.
Yeah, but Mac, do you want to know the worst thing in the entire world?
600 German fighters.
Forgetting your middle name. I know my last name and my first name, but my middle name I forgot. I'm actually copy and pasting it right now. That's so funny.
He would only take on its